Hello, today we will discuss about the remaining question answer of substitution method. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি আমি প্ৰতিস্থাপন পদ্ধতিৰ পৰৱৰ্তী ৰৈ যোৱা আমাৰ যিবিলাক প্ৰবলেম আছিল সেইবিলাক সমাধান কৰিম গতিকে তোমালোকে মন দি শুনা এতিয়া প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো আছিল the first question is here 0.2x plus 0.3y this is equal to 1.3 0.4x plus 0.5y this is equal to 2.3 these are the equations so let this is the first equation and this is the second equation so before doing we have to write here solution so as I told you before যে সমাধানটো আমি লিখাটো আমাৰ প্ৰয়োজন হেতু আমি আগতে কলো এটো এক নম্বৰ সমীকৰণ বুলি ধৰো আৰু এটো দুই নম্বৰ সমীকৰণ বুলি ধৰো so now we will do equation 1 implies অৰ্থাৎ এক নম্বৰ সমীকৰণটোক আমি তলৰ দৰে চেঞ্জ কৰিব পাৰো that will be what see we have to remove the point from there আমি ইয়াত point to অতৰাই লম so this will be twice x for point value it will come 1 and how many numbers are there after point so here only one number 10 will come so it will make twice x by 10 আমি point to অতৰাবলৈ গলে pointer ঠাইত 1 লিখিব লাগে আৰু তাৰ পিছত যেটা সংখ্যা থাকে হেটা শূন্য দিব লাগে গতিকে ইয়াত এটা সংখ্যা আছে আমি এটা শূন্য দিলো okay so like that one the next will be thrice y by 10 and this equal to 13 by 10 okay so now what we will do we will shift this one like that so this all denominators are equal so now we can write this one twice x plus thrice y this equal to 13 so this implies thrice y equal to 13 minus twice x after shifting this one from this place to left hand to right hand side then the sign will be changed okay yat amar etu baw phalor pra hofallu jetia nisu ba hofalor pra jetia ami baw phallu anim tetia sinor poriborton hobo okay so now this equal to this implies we can write y equal to 13 minus twice x whole divided by 3 so let that is equation number 3 so we have to substitute this one the method is substitution so where we will get y there we will put this one that means we can write this one 13 minus twice x by 3 so on substituting y from equation 3 in equation 2 we have what we will have what is the equation 2 was this one suppose 0.4x plus 0.5y this equal to 2.3 this we can shift like that so same process we will use this one eketa paddhoti ami yatem ami point to atrailam we will remove the point from there then that will make 4x by 10 plus 5y by 10 this equal to 2 by 10 so now we can write this one like this yes so we'll put the value from there this implies 4x by 10 plus so 5 into y what is the value of y so y value is this one you see this value is this one so we'll substitute that one here ami y মান to yat bohuai dim hetue ei poddhotitur mul kotha amar samadhan korar mul bishoy bostu tu hol hetu so that will be what then 13 minus twice x whole divided by 3 yes this equal to and this all divided by 10 that is the value of y and here what is there 10 is there so denominator is 10 there then this equal to 23 by 10 yes understood I hope you are understanding very properly so this will come what this will come 4x yes 10 will be all cancel then this will give plus 5 by 3 so 13 minus twice x yes this equal to 23 so this implies you can write what so LCM take the LCM between this one so this is what 1 that means 1 is there আমি ইয়াত লসাগুটো লব লাগে আগৰ দৰে আগৰ পাঠত মই কৈ গৈছো যে ইয়াত লসাগুটো লব লাগে লসাগুটো লৈ আমি সহজেই কৰিব পাৰো so that will make what 12x plus 65 this one multiply this one and here with this one then after this what is there minus so here plus is there so no sense at all 65 yes minus 10 x2 that means twice x into 5 or 5 into twice x yes so this divided by what you can write whole divided by 3 this equal to 23 so this implies you can write what you can write so this implies directly we can do if you know this one properly you can write this one 12x minus 10x yes plus 65 this equal to do cross multiplication this one yes so this will make what 69 and this implies so after substituting this one eta ami biog koribo lage biog korile 12x or pra 10x gole twice x thakibo so this will give twice x then bring the number to number place yes so this will make what 69 minus 65 this equal to what 4 so this implies we need the value of x 4 by 2 this equal to 2 so we got the value of x here so 1 we have got now so remaining part we require this one now what we'll do now on substituting x equal to 2 in equation 3 yes we have what we will have what is the equation number 3 so we wrote this one as y equal to 13 minus twice x by 3 so this will what then y equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 what is the value of x that is 2 yes so we will put this one we will substitute this one here that means where we will get x there we can write 2 that is the meaning of this one jot ami x to pam tat ami 2 to likhile hoy gol whole divided by 3 so this equal to 13 minus 4 by 3 so this equal to what will come 9 3 this equal to 3 so we have got this one hence x equal to what we got 2 and y equal to 3 that's the answer so I hope you understood properly